In Microsoft Dynamics 365, you can include attributes into one or several product attribute groups and then assign them to any of the retail category hierarchies. Attributes are product specifications. It can be anything, for example, physical dimensions of a product, brand, or color. This is a Sana demo store. You can show product specifications on the product list pages and on the product details pages. Product attributes from Microsoft Dynamics 365 can be also used to filter the products in the web store. They can be also used to search the products by keywords. This is Sana Admin. I will go to Setup ERP Integration. On the tab Index Fields, you can add those attributes which you want to use for search functionality and filters in your web store. You can distinguish product attributes and other product fields from Microsoft Dynamics 365 by the Attribute tag. On the page navigation and search, you can select those attributes which you want to use as filters on the product list pages. If you want to add some attributes to product specifications, you can do this on the products page. And now let's see how you can create product attribute groups in Microsoft Dynamics 365. At first, you will need to create attribute types and attributes. If you go to the Product Information Management module and then to Setup, Categories and Attributes, Attribute Types, here you can create attribute types with a fixed list of values. Attributes are based on attribute types. Attribute types identify the type of data that can be entered for a specific attribute. On the Attributes form, you can create the necessary attributes and define the default attribute value. And now you can create attribute groups. When you create the attribute group, you can add all required attributes to the group and select the default attribute value for the attribute in the group. When product attribute groups are created, you can assign them to any retail category hierarchy. This means that if you want to use product attribute groups in your web store, you will need to create a category hierarchy of any retail type, assign products to this category hierarchy, and enable this category hierarchy for your web store. For example, here I have some retail category hierarchy. And if I go to the retail module, here you can see different types of retail categories. I use this one, thus I will open it. Here you can add product attribute groups to the categories. You can add product attribute groups to the parent category and then inherit them for any subcategory. You can also add product attribute groups to each subcategory individually. Product attribute groups added to the categories are used for all products that belong to these categories. I will go to the released products. For example, this product is assigned to one of the retail categories that has product attribute group. And if I click product attributes, you can see that all attributes from the group that is assigned to the category associated with this product are shown here. And you can change the attribute values for this product.